Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and this is an arm balance tutorial on a variation of 8-angle pose which is called Flying Ninja. So it's a pretty cool pose with a pretty cool name. The way you get into it is pretty much exactly the same setup as for 8-angle pose. We're just going to play with a different leg variation once we've gotten into the arm balance. So to set up for Flying Ninja, you want to come into a pose called elephant trunk pose. So start with both legs straight out in front of you, and then we'll take the right leg and we'll hook the right leg up onto the right upper arm. So try and get it hooked up as high onto the arm as you can. Now place the hands just in front of the hips. They should be about shoulder width apart. So we're going to squeeze the legs together as we pick the hips up to lift up into elephant trunk pose. So push into the hands and squeeze the legs together. So then you're going to come forward as you cross your left leg over around your right arm. So really hug the arm with the leg, keep gripping the mat, and then lean forwards and extend your right leg up for the Flying Ninja shape. So keep the shoulders broad, really push through your straight leg, and then try and slowly come back down. So it's quite a fun one, it's quite a cool shape to make. It can be used to move into other variations of 8-angle and other arm balances. So I suppose the key points are with the transition into the pose. Once you've lifted up into elephant trunk, at this point your arms are straight, so you want to lean forward to bend the arms to a right angle or chaturanga shape. So as you lean forward, you kind of want to be bringing the left leg across your torso at the same time and hooking it around your right arm. So say keep the left leg in place by squeezing your arm with the leg, you're kind of really hugging it, and then push out and extend through your straight leg to create the Flying Ninja shape. And keep leaning forward. So you might need to lean forward further than you think you'll need to. So think forward, not up, and keep the chest and the shoulder girdle nice and strong and broad. So I'll just show you that quickly one more time and put it all together for you. Okay, please let me know how you get on. Don't forget to click subscribe and hopefully see you soon. Thank you very much.